Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Coinbase wallet recovery information securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Coinbase wallet app. Navigate to the settings section by tapping the gear icon. Select the option for backup or recovery information. If prompted, enter your password or use your biometric authentication for security. Locate your recovery phrase. This is essential for restoring your wallet. Carefully write down the recovery phrase on a piece of paper. Ensure you write it in the correct order, as this is crucial for recovery. Double-check your spelling to avoid any errors. Store the paper in a safe, secure location. Consider using a safe or a locked drawer to keep it protected from unauthorized access. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Avoid storing your recovery information digitally, such as on your computer or phone. If necessary, you can create a second secure copy and store it in a different location. Be sure to choose a place that only you or trusted individuals can access. Regularly review your backup procedures to ensure they remain secure. Confirm that you understand how to use the recovery phrase if you ever need to restore your wallet. Take the time to educate yourself on potential phishing scams that could target your wallet. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Coinbase wallet recovery information is backed up securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.